Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're making another birthday card. This time we're doing something elegant and next time we'll do something really cute. So first I have this cut out. It's very beautiful, but I was having trouble figuring out what to use it with without covering a big part of it, because if you cover a big part of it with something, you will lose the whole picture of what it is. However, gluing this can be a hassle, so that's when this glue, it has a very small tip, comes in handy. But we do have a lot of things in here, so I'm just gonna try to do as many as I can, just a teeny tiny little bit here and there, tiny little drop. Anything I see that's sticking out a little bit, like a little bit bended, I know those are the ones that is gonna stick out and I need to glue those, like this one and this one too. Okay, that is enough. Make sure you close this. So I'm gonna grab it wherever I don't have glue and I want to put it a little bit above the middle, and this glue dries so quickly, so you make sure you are fast because it has already dried. That's it, we can no longer move it, which is a good thing. Sometimes if you're not putting it in the wrong place, then it's not the best thing, but if you are very careful, this glues very fast and makes your life easier. And this is also refillable. Alright, then I have this flower cutout. I was gonna show you the cutting die, but now I cannot find it. So maybe next time. It came in multiple pieces and I did the bottom part in green and these parts in purple, and I'm just gonna layer it on each other. Same glue going in to the bottom because this part can easily flicker off and then accidentally rip off. Alright, right here, and I like it when it hangs off just this tiny little bit, just wherever you feel like you're putting glue on. Don't need to put too much when using this glue, like that. And the next one, covering these holes, and the last one. This one's a little bit tricky because there's so many little bits. And this will go right in the middle. What I'm gonna do is hold it down and flicker it up a little bit, just very tiny bit, and with this too, or at least as much as you can. I did put a lot of glue down on there just to make it look like it's a little bit 3D. Alright, well, that's enough. So I'm using this sentiment, birthday wishes, and I think I'm gonna heat emboss this. Okay, so I wanted to do a color that matches one of these colors, and I'm going in with the green because I think there's enough purple and the yellow would be a little too bright, so I'm gonna use Sage Misty. Lock this down, and then first go in with your little powder. Make sure it's the right way and not upside down by accident. Birthday wishes. Alright, Versamark. I'm gonna go in twice just to make sure it's all there. Okay, perfect. Brown coffee filter. Do you wonder why? Because embossing powder does not stick to this when you put it back. I usually like to tap it on the side so in case there's some stuck up here, it will not fall out when I open it. Dust it over. Looks good. It's so easy to put back and there's not a single tiny little bit that stays behind. Look at that, perfectly clean. Waste nothing. First, I'm gonna let this heat up, and then I'm gonna heat from the inside and then from the front. Beautiful. Okay, this birthday card is done. Very quick, easy, elegant birthday card with flower and some background and a sentiment. Whenever you have a flower and you don't know what to do with it, just put something like this on the background and the flower over it and a nice sentiment on the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quick, little short video. It came out very nice. I'm very happy with it. I hope you are too, and see you guys in the next video.